In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to change your cursor in Roblox Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see here on the middle of my screen, I have this custom cursor with a little kitty. Now, while you can change the cursor for Roblox Mobile, this is actually going to be much more limited than PC. On PC, you can go inside of the game files, find the PNG or the image that refers to the main cursor, and you can just change it there for all games. But for mobile, you cannot just access the game files and do the exact same thing. So what you have to do instead is check if the experience that you are trying to play has an option for you to change the crosshair. So in this example here, I can change the cursor or the crosshair for Forsaken specifically because they have an option in the settings under customization. So in this example, all that I have to do is grab an ID that refers to a crosshair or a cursor that I would like to use. There are plenty of websites where you can find crosshair IDs. One example would be this one, robloxdan.com. So in here, you just browse through all of the crosshairs and copy the ID referring to any of them. So find one that you like, copy the ID, and go back inside of Roblox. Then once you join the experience of your choice, you have to check if there is an option for you to paste the ID that you copied. Not all games or all experiences are going to support this feature, so keep that in mind. For mobile, it is going to be much more limited, but you can still get it done if the experience supports custom crosshairs or cursors. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.